Her autistic son had always longed for an emotional support dog as a friend. But unfortunately, due to challenging circumstances, she was unable to fulfill her son's wish and had to focus on rebuilding their family's life for several years. Finally, the time came when she could make her son's dream come true. She carefully prepared everything, making sure her son wouldn't notice, and the moment arrived to surprise him with the puppy that would become part of their family. The boy's reaction upon discovering the puppy in the box was truly heartwarming. He was overjoyed to have found his best friend and felt incredibly grateful for this special moment.